It started like about 1.5 years ago. It all came from trauma. 2 of my sons have died. One got actually murdered on my birthday. I won't say a lot about it because it does really trigger me a lot and that. But yeah, I've just been in pain for so long, complaining to the doctors, and they just kept dismissing it. Everyone dismisses it, but I just kept going and going and going and going and going. And finally they was like, okay, let's really look at this. And then I got a diagnosis of fibromyalgia. It's a bit crap really, because what does that actually mean? Yeah, so it did take a long time for me to get here, but I'm glad.
My workshop is persistent pain and trauma. And what we're trying to do is to give a broad overview of our understanding of trauma, the different models of trauma, and how that interacts with persistent pain. And then to try and give some strategies about ways in which we may address material that comes up that relates to trauma and persistent pain, and to help people be able to navigate some of those experiences a little bit more skillfully.
Because a lot of these things we didn't know before. So it's all new to me, what I'm seeing on the boards, what I'm hearing from other people. You think that you're on your own, but it just goes to show that you're not.
Well, I think part of the impetus for this particular project was really trying to target health inequalities for people from the global majority and people who are marginalised within the community. And particularly in this region, in South London, there was a high proportion of people from African and Caribbean descent. And it is true to say that the inequalities that they face are disproportionate to other people who come from different communities or other white counterparts.
I just think each week there is definitely something that I've taken from that workshop. But the last 2 sessions were the well-being and trauma, pain. Those 2 right now. So I think we're kind of past halfway. But I think definitely the last week and this week has resonated with me.
They should have more of these. There's a lot of people out there with lots of pain. They should have more of these. Or easier to access, you know, like, yeah.